good people? This Terrence here with Southern Gentleman's Table TV. Listen, if you haven't yet, please like and subscribe to our channel. I think you'll be pleased with some of the things, the content that we're doing. All right, so today we're getting into what I personally call my perfect pound cake. You know, pound cake is one of those things, it's trial and error, right? You know, it's how much butter you use versus shortening or oil, milk or buttermilk, what type of flour you use, all of these things, you know. But I feel good about this recipe. I feel like if you guys can just take the time and make this, I feel like you're gonna love this recipe, all right? So let's get into it. So listen. First and foremost, I got a cup and a half of butter, so I have 3 sticks of butter, all right? European style butter, so there's like 82% butter fat in here, okay? So first thing first, we're gonna do this really quickly. I'm gonna put those 3 sticks in my mixer.
I'm all that, yeah, I'm all that. Looking for that whip, yeah, that what you call that. I'ma blow up in the summer, have them yelling fall back. And I've always been ahead like an effing ball cap. Man, I came in the game like, whoa. Got a couple chains on me cause I like gold. They told me I'm the best and I told them I know. Cause when I'm in your town, every ticket I sold. Yeah, they saying I'm the man. Facts, bro. Lot of haters, tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Woo! Everybody wanna do the same thing. Yup, that's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing, and I maintain. Flow like water.
First, you don't want to dump it all in. The one thing you don't want to do is overmix your cake. Cooking is art. You can freestyle with cooking, but baking is a science. Yeah, you can substitute things, but you have to really know and understand why you do what you do when you're talking about baking, all right?
The days that we chill and relax, where did the time go? It all passed, now I need to go back. I had no worries, but always had plans. Only thing I did was pick out the trash. Now it's much harder to laugh, hard to get up and then work on my craft. I need inspiration, don't need no validation, no more medication, just trust some meditating. I don't need you to save me, feel like all of you hate me. Everything's been so hard with all the situations lately. I just need to numb the pain for a minute. I just wanna run away on vacation. I don't know what else to say now. I just need to numb the pain.
So now, listen, I already have my bundt pan already nice and greased. And again, you get a chance to go and check another video I have about cake release. I have a perfect recipe for cake release. This mixture, it is absolutely perfect to keep your cake from sticking, all right? So trust in this one, all right? So now, let's get to this. This is mixed in, incorporated nice. I'm just kind of circling it through, just making sure everything is mixed in good. It looks like it is. All right, so. Yeah. This is gonna be really good. Figure that up. Okay. Look at that. Perfect. Look at that. All right, now one thing you didn't hear me mention was about preheating the oven. That's another kind of key thing. I'm not gonna preheat the oven. I'm gonna put this cake pan right directly into a cold oven. And then I'm gonna turn the temperature on 300 degrees for 2 hours. So if you sound, so it's gonna cook a little bit longer, but why put it in a cold oven? Well, it's gonna help that cake cook evenly. It's gonna distribute the heat throughout evenly. It's gonna prevent the cake from forming too much of a dome. It's gonna be even. Cake's gonna be cooked perfect, all right? So now I'm gonna put it in 2 hours. Let's come back and let's see what it's looking like, okay? All right, so listen, so the cake is in the oven for about an hour and a half at 300. My directions say between an hour and a half, 2 hours. It's always gonna depend on, of course, the oven and you know, the type of pan you use, but just check it always throughout for doneness. But just take a look at that. Look how nice and golden brown that is. So I'm gonna let it rest in that pan for about 10 minutes. Come back, let's see what it looks like, and then we know we gotta taste it, all right? All right, so now listen, we got to get in here, we gotta taste this bad boy. So, oh man, I can tell you right now, it's super moist. Look at that. Let me get that piece out of there. Hold on, let me sit it down here, hold on. Look at that. I want you to look at that texture on that. Flaky that is. That's super moist. Oh man, let's see. See what we're working with. Ooh. Don't think missing some ice cream. That's good. That is light, it's flaky, it's moist. To me, that is a perfect pound cake. You guys, whenever you make it, let me know in the comments what you think, all right? All right, talk to you soon.